Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistant, Boeing's big comeback and United Airlines update. Boeing is making a strong recovery with positive updates that could reshape the aviation industry. Meanwhile, United Airlines is expanding and rolling out exciting changes for travelers. In this video we break down the latest announcements, aircraft developments, and what this means for passengers and the global airline market. Don't miss this aviation update. 1. United Airlines record financial performance. United Airlines reported its best first-quarter financial performance in 5 years despite a challenging macroeconomic environment. The airline exceeded revenue and earnings per share expectations, showcasing resilience and strong demand. This success is attributed to a 6-point acceleration in booking demand starting in early July 2025, with expectations of reduced geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainty in the second half of the year. 2. Boeing's 777-9 certification progress. Boeing achieved a significant milestone in its 777X program, with the FAA clearing the 777-9 for the next phase of certification, Type Inspection Authorization 2C, in July 2025. This phase focuses on system demonstrations, advancing the aircraft toward commercial service. This progress signals Boeing's commitment to overcoming past delays and delivering a next-generation wide-body jet. 3. United's innovative partnership with JetZero. United Airlines announced a $235 million investment in JetZero, a startup developing the Z4 blended wing body jet, which promises up to 50% fuel savings. This all-wing design could enhance passenger experience and align with United's sustainability goals. The collaboration includes a path to purchase up to 200 aircraft, marking a bold step toward greener aviation. 4. United's expanded flight offerings. United Airlines is capitalizing on strong travel demand by expanding its flight network. The airline announced a 20% increase in flights from San Francisco International Airport, SFO, for summer 2025, offering about 300 daily flights, more than any other carrier in the Bay Area. Additionally, United resumed daily flights from New York to Tel Aviv on July 21, 2025, becoming the first U.S. airline to do so post-conflict. 5. Boeing's collaboration with suppliers and partners. Boeing showcased its engagement with industry peers and customers at the Experimental Aircraft Association's AirVenture Oshkosh 2025, #OSH25. The event highlighted Boeing's ongoing efforts to strengthen its supply chain and foster innovation through partnerships. Boeing also celebrated its intern program with Alaska Airlines, focusing on developing future aviation professionals through immersive challenges. 6. United's technology and customer experience enhancements. United introduced new features to its mobile app, including personalized turn-by-turn directions to connecting gates, real-time flight status updates, and tips for longer layovers. Additionally, a collaboration with Spotify brings music podcasts and audiobooks to over 130,000 seatback screens on 680-plus aircraft, enhancing the in-flight experience for passengers. 7. Boeing's manufacturing achievements via Tata Boeing Aerospace. Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited, TBAL, has made significant strides, delivering Apache fuselages and 787 Dreamliner vertical stabilizers to global customers. Despite being smaller than some competitors, TBAL's contributions highlight Boeing's successful joint ventures and its ability to meet critical global demand for aerospace components. 8. United sustainability initiatives. United is advancing sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, through a partnership with 12 a company using technology to transform carbon and water into SAF inputs. This initiative supports United's goal of reducing its environmental footprint, aligning with industry-wide efforts to achieve greener operations. 9. United's partnership with JetBlue. United and JetBlue launched the Blue Sky Partnership, approved by the Department of Transportation, allowing customers to earn and redeem miles across both airlines. This collaboration brings United back to JFK Airport and enables seamless booking and loyalty rewards, enhancing customer flexibility and choice. 10. United's free Wi-Fi initiative with Starlink. United Airlines signed a deal with Elon Musk's Starlink to offer free Wi-Fi on its flights, with testing beginning in 2025. This move aims to provide reliable high-speed connectivity, improving the passenger experience and setting a new standard for in-flight internet access. Context and outlook. These updates reflect a period of recovery and innovation for both Boeing and United Airlines. Despite past challenges such as Boeing's manufacturing issues and United's operational disruptions, both companies are taking proactive steps to improve safety, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Boeing's focus on certification and partnerships alongside United's investments in sustainability and technology positions them to capitalize on growing travel demand and industry advancements. While some challenges remain, such as delays in Boeing's aircraft deliveries, these positive developments signal a promising trajectory for both companies in 2025. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.